Welcome to episode 4 of the Professional Scoop. Today I'll be discussing keeping your team motivated and engaged, focusing on team building and team building activities. Go team! Team building is important because it fosters collaboration that trickles over into daily work life, making it easier for team members to work together to complete tasks and, of course, to reach organizational goals. There are four main types of team building activities. Now let's take a look at them. One, communication. These activities are geared at team members expressing their ideas. So the focus is on developing stronger communication skills. Two, problem solving and decision making. These activities give your team members the opportunity to practice their problem solving skills so that they are better equipped to deal with any challenges in the future. Three, adaptability and planning. These activities tend to teach strategy. And you also get to see how, your team work together to solve a problem and how each individual works. Four, trust building. Now, trust is directly linked to team effectiveness. Once there is trust, your team will work better together, there will be less stress, and they will be more committed. Team building activities are typically grouped into two main categories: indoors and outdoors. For your indoor activities, it can be a trivia or guessing game, board games, or any simple, work related task. For your outdoor games, now that involves physical activity. Fun things like relay races, any sort of friendly competition games. Now, let's take a look at some of them. While outdoor activities are fun, we must admit they are costly. So we have to be creative and come up with team building activities where there's no cost attached to it. I refer to them as my money savers. Here are a few that are my favorite: office scavenger hunt, team memory wall, what's my name, move ball, and virtual games. These activities still provide the opportunity to enhance social relations and to promote motivation amongst the team. Having team building activities is a win win situation for both the organization and the employees. Employees are able to unwind from work stress and refuel. And this basically equates to increased productivity and effectiveness. Thanks for watching another episode of the Professional Scoop. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a very fun topic for me. Next time, I'll be looking at how to achieve work life balance. Our mental well being is very important. Remember to like and subscribe. See you then.